Hello, today's video is about an unusual variation of 1x1 elastic knitting. Similar to how we knitted in this video, this knitting pattern uses twisted loops. It is stretchy, double-sided, and easy. The scheme consists of 2 loops and 4 rows. Row 1 wrong side. The repeat pattern is: knit 1, slip 1 with yarn behind and make a yarn over loop. Again, knit 1, slip 1, yarn over. Knit 1, slip 1, yarn over. Continue knitting using this pattern until the row is complete. Row 2 right side, repeat. Slip 1 with yarn behind, knit 1, purl 1. Again, slip 1, knit 1, purl 1. Again, slip 1, knit 1, purl 1. Continue knitting using this pattern until the row is complete. Row 3 wrong side, the repeat pattern is: knit 1, purl 1, slip 1 with yarn in front. Again, knit 1, purl 1, slip 1. Continue knitting using this pattern until the row is complete. Row 4 right side. The repeating pattern on this row is: knit 2 together through the back, purl 1. Again, knit 2 together, purl 1. Again, knit 2 together, purl 1. Continue knitting using this pattern until the row is complete. This unique and easy to make stretchy knit is suitable for any yarn and for any season. Due to its double-sided pattern and softness, it is perfect for light scarves and capes. I highly recommend it. If you'd like to check out my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. Thank you for being together. Please click the like button if you enjoy the video. Subscribe to the channel and notifications to watch all my videos. I wish you inspiration. Knit with love and be happy. See you soon.